Qingdao Ejoy Farming Machinery Company Limited is a trusted provider of advanced animal husbandry equipment and comprehensive farm solutions. We specialize in offering a full range of automated farming systems, backed by turnkey project construction and one-stop purchasing services designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Our commitment is to be a dependable and trustworthy partner. By carefully listening to our clients, understanding their needs, and responding to their suggestions, we ensure that our solutions are tailored to help them succeed. We leverage a robust production and supply chain from our manufacturing partners, integrating the latest global farming technologies to maximize efficiency and profitability for our clients. With years of continuous effort, Ejoy has established a strong international presence, with distributors and farm projects in more than 20 countries, including Mongolia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Ghana, Nigeria, and some other South American country and European country. Our reputation for quality, reliability, and exceptional service has earned us positive feedback from clients around the world. Looking ahead, we remain dedicated to our core principle: treating others as we would like to be treated. This guides our approach in offering complete, well-rounded solutions that include expert consultation, high-quality products, and ongoing support. We are committed to going the extra mile to ensure that every client's farm business thrives. And we take pride in being a partner they can rely on for long-term success.
Hello, dear friend. Welcome to Qingdao Ejoy. Ejoy is a company with advice and experienced technical support. We are young, energetic, and professional. If you want to build a poultry farm or source farming equipment from China, don't hesitate to contact us. We must be very helpful to you, and we are determined to accompany you as a long-term partner.